it's JoyReign here, and welcome back to Getting Things Done, where we motivate you to get things done through faith in relevant technology. Listen, y'all, you already see what it is. We're about to get into this unboxing right now, so let's start. It's heavy. I'm just we have the Apple Vision Pro right here. Love the box. Here we go. Woo! Then get the other tab. Here we go. Let's go. Whoa! Look at this. Oh my gosh. It has that new car smell, you know? New tech smell. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's see. This is the light seal cushion. Definitely gonna need this when I'm playing my games, and when I spend hours and hours in here. It feels so soft. It feels so soft. All right, and so let's see what else we have in here. Okay, so this is the battery pack. The cables. All right, let's get this started. I'll put this on the side here. All right, everybody, so we've taken all the contents out of the box, and now we're gonna get into this. So this is the actual Apple Vision Pro that it has the cover on it, so we're gonna take that off. And holding this device, the first thing that I noticed is that it's not as heavy as everybody's saying that it is. I mean, being one that has the Quest 2, Quest Pro, Quest 3, compared to those, it's not as heavy. So I was expecting it to be like, but no, it is not. I'm really liking how it has the magnetic pieces. Like everything is able to come off very easily, and also too, this face cover comes off as well, and everything's magnetic, so I like that part is really nice. And also too, I'm noticing that there is a cloth that covers your nose, so I like that too. I really don't care for the plastic one that they have, so that's really cool. That the other devices they have the plastic, but I love how they have this cloth here. So I am really excited about that. Now, talking about these materials, it feels so good. It feels expensive. It really does. I know that it could fit over this hair, so I'm absolutely loving that part as well. And it just, I don't know, I'm really liking it, and I can't wait to turn it on and really dive into it. Okay, so next we have the battery pack, and let me tell you, y'all, this thing is heavy, but it's solid. Like if you hit somebody with this thing, you're gonna do some damage. And so this is heavy, and I really feel as though it's like heavier than the actual device. So interesting. It's very interesting. Then it comes with another facial cover that you can snap on in there. It's magnetic as well. I think this one is a little bit thicker than the other one, so it just depends on how it sits on your face, how it's going to be. So, and then finally it comes with the power brick and cable to go with it. So, and there we have it, everybody. So make sure you stay tuned to Getting Things Done YouTube channel. We're going to be covering the Apple Vision Pro and all the other devices as well. So make sure you stay tuned. I've been JoyReign here. Until next time, bye y'all.